Okay, so you asked for an example of one of the radical problems. So here's the first radical problem on the worksheet. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to recognize that tangent is sine over cosine. So that's sine over cosine, which translates into opposite over adjacent. Then we're going to draw our triangle. I'm going to use this angle here as theta. So opposite is 15 square roots of 19, and adjacent is 76. So now I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem, just like I did with all the other ones. Okay, so now we're going to do that math. 76 times 76. Got to pull out my calculator. It's 5,776 plus 15 squared, which is 225, times, so this squared has to distribute to both. Okay, so 15 squared is 225. It's going to be multiplied by 19 because the square root of 19 squared is just 19. So that's going to give us 5,776 plus 4,275. Now remember, this equals c squared. So let's add those two numbers together. And that gives us 10,051 equals c squared. Now, I don't think 10,051 is going to be a super even number. I don't think that's a perfect square. So what I'm going to choose to do is I'm going to choose to try dividing it by 19 because they had a square root of 19 to begin with. So maybe I'm going to be left with a square root of 19. So I'm going to divide that by 19, and I get 529 times 19. So let's see if 529 is a perfect square. And it is. The square root of 529 is 23. So now if I square root both of these, I get 23 square roots of 19 equals c. Okay, so we took the square root of both sides now. So now I know that my hypotenuse is 23 square roots of 19. So now sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So my opposite is the 15 square roots of 19 divided by the hypotenuse, which was 23 square roots of 19. Now the square root of 19 over the square root of 19 is just 1, so that's going to simplify to 15 over 23. Hopefully that helps. If you still have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.